Was there one tip or piece of advice that you'd give other people in the maintenance and reliability space that want to move up in their career? Is there one thing, one piece of learning that stuck out to you that really shaped and informed your career path?
Two things. One, don't ever assume you know anything. You don't know I know nothing. I know absolutely nothing. I surround myself with people that teach me things every day. And I teach at the University of Wisconsin so that I can engage people in a broader audience and learn from them. It's so much more for me than it is for them. It's a terrible thing to say, but it really is. And as long as you continue to strive to learn and be humble, understand that you don't know anything, and put yourself in the process of asking questions to better understand things. And then just the second piece of that is stop being afraid and stop providing yourself limits. Apply what you learn, take risks, be okay if they fail, and keep moving forward.
Awesome. Well, George, you know a whole lot more than I do about maintenance and reliability. I will admit that. And this idea of not being afraid to fail, like I believe that's what led you to start Reliability X.